Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a marketing agency or a social media SEO company theme. If you are running a social media company or social media marketing company, this is the best theme you can get out there for a really affordable price, right? So let me show you what are the things that these guys provide you. If you hover over to the sales page, you will get the whole documentation of this particular theme. As you can see, this theme has over 14,000 sales, which is a great deal, right? And if you hover down, you will see all the kind of documentation. You can just take your time and read everything which has to do with the theme, right? And if you click on live preview, you will be able to check out the live preview which these people provide you. Basically, we are going to import a demo so that with the help of demo we will be able to set up a basic structure of our website, right? So coming back to our sales page, and today we are going to download this from our website, which will give you a GPL theme of that particular version. And everything is quite similar, the same functionalities, same author version, just for a really affordable price. Click on download now, and download will start automatically on the left hand side of your browser if you're using Google Chrome. And I will just cancel it for the time being because I have already downloaded it. Okay, so the next step is to install this particular theme on your WordPress website. Coming back to the WordPress website, this is the fresh website which I have installed on my domain, and today we are going to install that theme on this website. So first of all, you have to come back to your dashboard. If you don't know how to log into a dashboard, it's quite simple. Type WP admin and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password. Just put that which you have provided while you were installing WordPress on your hosting. Okay, so once you are here, you will see a lot of thing, right? Under this setting thing, you will see general, writing, reading, discussion, and everything, right? Under the tool section, you will see import, export, tool, site health, and WP reset and everything. User section, with the help of user section, you will be able to create multiple user and assign them different role like admin, manager, subscriber, and all that, right? Under the plugin section, you will see to add new plugins. Like basically, plugins are those things with the help of which you can extend the functionality of your theme, right? If you need a form, there is a plugin for form. That's it. Okay, and under the appearance section, you will see themes, customization, background change, menu, and all that. Okay, so today we are going to deal with the theme section. Under the appearance, we would click on themes, and we will try to add a new theme. Okay, as you can see, I have already uploaded the theme because to save the time for this video, I have already uploaded it because I was having some kind of internet issues in this video. Okay, I'll show you how you can add the theme. Click on add new, and here you will see, let it load. Okay, here you will see by default WordPress give you n numbers of free themes, but the thing is there are a lot of difference between free theme and paid theme. Basically, free theme are not that much mobile responsive, and in today's world, mobile responsive is the best thing. You are missing out if you don't have it in your website, right? And premium theme are way more having way more high conversion rate when it comes to AdSense, right? If you're making a website, you need to have some kind of revenue source also. Okay, so we will try to so if you have a little bit of budget to invest in the initial stage, I always suggest you to go for a very good theme for your business. Okay, we'll try to upload this theme. Click on upload, and I'll select this theme. Click on install now. So okay, though, so when the installation process has been completed, file will be uploaded successfully. I have already uploaded my file, so there is no issues in that. I click on theme, and I'll see where is my file, and I'll upload. Click on activate. Okay, I told you I have some internet problem. That's why it's taking too much of time. Okay, as you can see, here is the theme. I'll just activate, and theme will be activated successfully. If I'm not wrong, it will redirect to a setup wizard. As you can see, it's the setup wizard for that particular theme. We need to start this setup wizard. Click on start, and the next thing is it will ask for the recommended plugins, right? As you can see, there are a lot of plugins, right? So basically, what are recommended plugins? Recommended plugins are those plugins which has been recommended by your themes, because a theme consists of multiple functionalities, right? And a functionality is totally dependent upon the plugin. Okay, let me give you an example like this. If there is a slider in your theme, then there has to be a plugin related to that slider, and if that plugin is missing from your theme, then that slider won't work properly. So it's always recommended that if a theme pops up, gives you pops up notification or recommends you to install some kind of certain plugins, never ignore those messages. Okay, so we'll try to install them all, and once everything has been installed successfully, we'll wait for the next step, and I'm pretty sure that in the next step they will ask us to import the whole website, right? We will have to import our demo content. Let's wait for it. If I'm not wrong, it's already done. The last thing is WP cost estimate. Okay, the installation has completely completed successfully. So let's wait for the next process. If I'm not wrong, the next process is proceed. It will take like 127. It will go up to 100%. It might take time. Okay, it's it been activated everything. Okay, so next thing will be importing the theme. Okay, so here is the demo data. We have to import the demo content from the server to our website. So it will take approximately 5 minutes. You just have to click on import, and this is the best time to go back, sit back and relax and get a coffee and watch Netflix, do whatever you want to do. Just come back when the import has been completed successfully. As you can see, import has been completed successfully. It's the time when we have to check our website. Okay, so here it is. Everything has been imported successfully. As you can see, this page is looking really good, and this is the according to me, I guess this is the best digital agency theme you can get out there for a really affordable price. Isn't that great? So let us check that this theme is mobile optimized or not. As you can see, this is also mobile optimized, which is totally insane, right? And the other page has been imported successfully or not. If you click on services, there are a lot of services, about section, and if we look for the about section, everything has been loaded successfully. And the things which are not showing properly because I have some internet issues, don't mind that. Okay, so according to me, this is the perfect theme. If you want to buy it, you can always click on the link which has been provided in the description. You will be redirected here, and you can just download now. And if you're running a WordPress agency website, you can always check out our membership plan, because with the help of membership plan you will get a lot of benefits. Let me show you what are the major benefits which you get in our membership plan, right? If you scroll down and if you check out our lifetime plan, with the help of lifetime plan you will be able to get 5400 items per year. You can download 5400 items per year. Okay, it is quite expensive according to me. Okay, so if you're at the very initial stage of your business, you can always check out our monthly plan, which will cost you around $29. And with the help of this plan you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is quite impressive, right? So at the end I want to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.